Today I am telling about Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was a famous Indian mathematician. He was born on 22 December 1897 in Tamil Nadu. He was showed extraordinary talent in maths in young age. He worked with mathematician G.H. Hardy at Cambridge University. His birthday is celebrated as National Mathematics Day. Thank you. Have a wonderful nice day.
Rita, I'm from 8th standard. First of all, wish you very happy Mathematics Day. Today I would like to say something about Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was a great Indian mathematician. His birthday celebrated as Indian Mathematics Day. He was very good and talented mathematician. He was worked with famous mathematician G.H. Hardy at Cambridge University. Have a nice day.
Telling about Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan born on December 22nd, 1987 in Tamil Nadu. He was self-taught by great genius in mathematics. He made major contribution to number theories and infinite series. Thank you for giving us one.
Very good, is there any?
Now I would like to tell you about something Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was a famous Indian mathematician. He was born on 22nd December 1887 in Tamil Nadu. He made great contribution to number theory and mathematics. His talent was recognized by G.H. Hardy from England. We celebrate Maths Day on his birth anniversary to remember his achievements.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Lahari. I am from class 7. Today on National Mathematics Day, I wish you a very good afternoon to our respected principal sir and all our teachers. We appreciate your hard work and dedication to teaching. Mathematics is all around us and it's amazing. From the patterns on a leaf to the design of a building math is everywhere. Today, we celebrate the birth anniversary of Srinivasa Ramanujan, a great Indian mathematician who made significant contributions to the field. Some tricks for maths. Multiply any number by 5, just multiply by 10 and divide by 2. Square a number ending in 5, multiply the first digit by the next number and add 25. Thank you and have a great day.
Something about Srinivasa Ramanujan.
Srinivasa Ramanujan was a self-taught Indian mathematical genius who made extraordinary contributions to number theory, infinity series and continued fractions despite lacking formal training. He is born on 22nd December 1887 in Erode, Tamil Nadu in India. Thank you. Have a great day.
I am Meghna from class 7. Today's speech about maths. Mathematics is important in our daily life because it helps think clearly and solve problems. Srinivasa Ramanujan was a great mathematician born on 22nd December 1887 in Europe, Tamil Nadu. His father's name is Puppuswamy Srinivasa Iyengar. He worked as clerk in cloth merchant shop. His mother's name is Komalatammal. She is a housewife.
Srinivasa Ramanujan was a great Indian mathematician. He born on 22nd December 1887. He showed extraordinary talent in mathematics from a very young age. Despite many difficulties, he made important contribution to number theory and algebra. His work impressed famous mathematician G.H. Hardy of England. We celebrate National Mathematics Day on his birthday to honor his genius and inspire students. Thank you.